wipe your finger as you go, and then you just easily sit that down with some more white. Okay, you've done that. Then grab the white again and just lightly come back over some of that easily, just like that. And that should give you a bloody good moon, I reckon. Let's have a look. And you want it to look like it's floating in air and this stuff behind is actually behind it. That's what you want to do. You can do that if you follow what I've just done. Now I've just got to, Reese, can you move this camera for me? I've just got to go to the sink and move, Reese, oh hang on, Reese has got his thing. Are you ready to race? Oh, I've got to, all right, I just got to bear with me a moment. I just got to go to the sink there and wash this thing. Oh, Jesus. Hang on, where are we? Sorry about that, where's the bloody sink? I just, see this thing here, I just walked into it. Me hip hit the side of it and these shelves still on the floor there, I'll pick it up later. Everything's all right, I'm fine. Tough as nails here. Tough as bloody nails.